Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a breakfast mukbang. We are actually in, where we there?
Jersey.
We're in New Jersey at my mother's house. I told you guys that we had a road trip and we are here and we're ready to eat. We have pancakes, I have eggs, and I also have bacon. And my husband, he has
pancakes too. And turkey bacon.
You sure you don't want no pork?
No pork. No pork. Turkey, we say.
And then
we got strawberry.
Then we have some whipped cream. And what we say, honey?
And some strawberries, you know?
That's right.
Looking good.
Yep.
This is not no 12 dozen challenge, you know? Cause this is just, you know? This is the mother-in-law breakfast challenge.
The mother-in-law breakfast challenge, aka Sexy Sippy JJ.
Sexy Sipping JJ. Go check out our YouTube channel. All right, time we go.
That's a nice plug.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to dig in, guys.
All right. And this is not Aunt Jemima, but it's
Mrs. Butterworth.
Mrs. Butter. Yeah, it's better than that. It's a block like mother. Wait. All right.
So, since we're in Jersey, this is not our usual setup. This is my mom's backyard. My mom and my dad's house. And we're in the backyard.
About to get
we're gonna
down.
dig in. This was not planned.
Exactly,
so
wasn't.
I just.
So let's do it since we can breakfast.
Yeah, I came in from the store and then my husband said, let's do a breakfast one since your mom made such a good breakfast. So I said, okay. For our subscribers, make sure that they have content to watch by any means necessary. So I'm just cutting on my pancake because I'd rather cut it up so I don't have to keep on stopping. I can just eat. Eat. And if you guys know from my previous, my love, can I have the syrup?
There you go.
From my previous video, I don't use a lot of syrup. I use more whipped cream than I do syrup. So I will put like, right next to you, my love, one under your hand.
I said if you like whipped cream.
Oh, I thought you said if I have the whipped cream. I said, yes, right there. Yes, I love whipped cream.
Yeah, you got that food.
That's right.
You can do the challenge.
No. Listen, guys, don't judge me on the whipped cream, okay? My mother's pancakes are delicious. They're the best pancakes I've ever had. So when I come to Jersey, There's some strawberries here. Guys, this is delicious.
Good. Drinking a ginger ale, you know?
My road trip.
Yeah.
The road trip was fun.
That's true.
It took us, what, 17 hours drive from Florida to New Jersey? It wasn't bad.
Good driving.
My husband drove the entire way.
First day to relax and just feed me. You're feeding me on the trip. I enjoy a road trip because I eat a lot. Probably share a little vlog of a day, you know? So what's the big day tomorrow?
Sorry,
The main purpose.
Tomorrow we're gonna go to my son's school and to his dorm. He goes to school in New York. He goes to a performing arts school. I've told you guys this before. And we're gonna go there and take out all his stuff out of his dorm because he had to leave New York, very abruptly, so he just left his stuff and he thought he was gonna come back within like 2 weeks, and as you guys know, with the corona situation, that didn't happen. So we're here to get his stuff, and I think tomorrow I gotta see if they're open in the Bronx. Nick's Pizzas.
Oh.
We'll stop and we'll do a pizza mukbang in the car if they're open.
You do a lot. You want a little vlog.
A little vlog, yeah.
Sun bright, man, can't see.
I can't see now. We can't even see this.
It
We're hoping it come out good.
come out good. If not,
We're gonna still put the top.
we'll do it up.
Shoot.
Take it on our journey.
I don't know how she does it, but my mother, she puts like anything in this pancake.
Nice. Big up sipping JJ. Pancake, they're nice enough.
They're really good.
With the strawberry.
She puts anything that's in her fridge in these pancakes, like yogurt, apple, ricotta. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. Nice one. Right, put the sauce. I mean, no syrup.
The syrup.
Nice one.
I should have drank some orange juice.
Drink that to bells off the gas, man. Yeah. I'd have put my money on you for that 12 dozen challenge.
You think so?
Yeah, you could do it. You eat breakfast a lot.
No, not really. You know this, but
But if I was like a breakfast person and egg, no. 1 minute.
yeah. You see,
Down.
you don't really like eggs like that. You eat eggs, but only in a seafood boil. But to give him like fried eggs or scrambled eggs, just to give it to him, as you can see, he doesn't have any eggs now. So to do that challenge for him, it'll be hard.
You didn't give him an outfit today because you know he wasn't playing, but if I give him a shirt, another outfit, nice little dress, little.
They can't see it?
Yeah.
They can't see it, my
Get a
mouth.
little twirl. Nice little jersey. You know? Get back to Jersey. Anything you put on is the outfit of the day.
Thank you, baby.
Read it, Sasha. What?
I like that.
What am I beg?
You know, turkey bacon tastes good, right? That's right. I don't even know.
You could eat naturally because they're strong, man.
They're strong. And you need 12 of them.
I do. One tin one of them.
Unless the challenge is I eat 12 eggs and you eat 12 turkey bacon. Listen, we can invent what we want to invent.
That's true. Yeah.
Today's going to be a relaxing day. We're going to chill. But we decided to do a breakfast one, like I said.
This morning we got up, it was pretty cold. I thought it was gonna be cold. Shit, I said, damn, we didn't bring no pants or no sweats or no.
No,
you know
nothing.
what I mean?
And you know, we Florida people, so we're not used to the cold weather. I mean, we lived in New York for a long time.
Yeah.
But
when it's at 57, it doesn't feel like it out here.
But when I got up this morning, when I saw it, I was like, ooh, it's kind of chilly. When I came back from being on the road for like an hour, it wasn't that bad,
Yeah.
to be honest.
Yeah. Nice, man. Nice. Give me some of your pancake. Ayaw, nyam it off.
You know, so we might yam it.
I know. Do it. I know you could do it. I'm gonna sit down and watch you.
I said I might, because I love pancakes.
Can nyam it off. That's what I said. You like pancake.
My mom's pancake, especially. You only had like 3 pancakes, so that's why
4. I had 4.
You had 4? But then again, it is breakfast stuff, so.
You know what I'm trying to breakfast like that? So I eat breakfast, I get in trouble, don't tell her mother. I eat breakfast.
That is true. She was like, Richard. My mother spoils him. Everything's about Richie.
Charge too much money.
Richie breakfast. I'm buying stuff for Richie. I'm making Richie's favorite dish. What the hell am I, chopped liver?
Your daughter?
Excuse me, dog.
What do I do over here? Come on, go ahead.
We brought Sasha on the road trip. And she was in the car acting like a maniac, like, where we going? Where we going? What's going on? What's going on?
Right before the video done, you could pick her up and show them. Oh, they never see her before?
I saw her in my outfit of the day videos.
Well trimmed up and looking clean. She on
She
fleek.
looks cute.
Keep what the word from man.
You saying the same word I'm saying?
Breakfast, make her slap the mother. Slap the long bone stuff, bro. Sometimes pork bacon look good, don't it?
It tastes even better.
I'm a sweet man. Yeah, full giant. New Jersey's nice though.
It really is.
Nice. Yep.
Excuse me. You might need syrup on yours.
Yeah, put syrup. You know I gotta put syrup on mine.
And you put a lot of syrup. I put a little bit.
I was thinking about making a thing for your mother today, the steamers.
Steam fish?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
Wanna make it?
Yeah. It doesn't matter.
So I gotta take it out and scale it and stuff like that. I'm surprising her mother that steam fish. She see the video and said she wants some.
That steam fish is delicious.
Don't tell her. So we'll hook it up today for her. Yeah, man. You could have do it, yo.
I could have done everything.
No, but you could have did it.
A challenge? I don't think so, baby. I'm glad you have faith in me. I appreciate that. But I know my belly.
Watch her eat. I'm gonna give me a next juice.
Guys, again, this is not a restaurant. This is my mother's house, so don't ask me in the comment section what restaurant we're at.
We're back.
Oh,
What?
you guys saw her before, my mother, in my other video.
Oh, you gotta probably show up the next video and let us see. We eat that big lobster.
And I had that big lobster.
Big lobster. I wish I was here to help you.
Yeah. Can you send me another finish sheet? I'm gonna put it in the description where you can check out that video.
I know we drink a lot of soda, but
Okay, honey.
done.
Oh, you want some weed?
You drink soda too much.
We drink soda sometimes, not all the time.
You don't want them 2 pieces.
I'm full. I'm full.
Put a little syrup on this. Right there.
Oh, God.
I will afford about in our video. Ooh. Yeah, you finished those bacon. You could do it.
I'm done with bacon too.
Finish the bacon, girl. You can finish the bacon.
I'm finished.
You don't eat them already?
I'm gonna give it to Tamia.
Oh. Strawberry.
Strawberry did it.
You got that 4-class meal. What do you call it? 4-class meal? 4-class meal? What do you call it?
4 course.
Full. We got a 4-class meal. Love coming to Jersey. All you can eat at mother-in-law house. It's not a restaurant, so don't come back.
That is true, not all you can eat here. Wow.
Good.
Excuse me. I am done.
Me too.
This is delicious. Something in my teeth. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Oh, go on.
I appreciate you guys' support. We appreciate the support. And I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us.
Don't forget to like.
Sorry.
Wow. Damn it, yeah. Put a bump on my thing, man. Share, comment, and subscribe. On the way to 500. We're going there.
We're getting there.
All right.
Ready? Yeah?
Bye.